Have you ever truly wondered where chocolate, that delightful treat we all love, actually comes from? From a tiny, unassuming seed to the rich, delicious bar we savor, the story of chocolate is an amazing journey across vast stretches of time and diverse cultures. Our incredible story begins over 5,000 years ago, deep within the lush rainforests of South America, where the magnificent cocoa tree was first domesticated by ancient civilizations. Ancient civilizations, such as the sophisticated Mayans and the powerful Aztecs, revered the cocoa bean not merely as a food source, but as a sacred gift directly from their gods. Imagine vast ancient cocoa plantations, with rows of cocoa trees bearing colorful pods and the simple, yet effective, tools they used for harvesting and processing. These early innovators used cocoa to create a bitter, frothy drink they called zacatl, often flavored with exotic spices and even fiery chili peppers. Can you imagine drinking chocolate that was spicy and bitter, rather than the sweet, creamy version we enjoy today? It was a truly unique experience. The journey of chocolate took a dramatic turn in the 16th century when Spanish explorers, venturing into the New World, first encountered cocoa beans. They brought these precious beans back to Europe, where chocolate initially became a luxurious drink exclusively for the elite, often sweetened and spiced to suit European tastes. It took nearly 3 centuries for chocolate to transform from this exclusive beverage into the solid, delectable treat we recognize and love today. How exactly did chocolate make this incredible leap, transitioning from a bitter, spicy drink to the sweet, melt in your mouth bar that is so popular? The answer, my friends, lies in a series of brilliant innovations and technological advancements that revolutionized its production. Today, the majority of the world's cocoa beans originate from the fertile lands of West African countries, particularly the Ivory Coast and Ghana. Let's now explore the fascinating modern process that transforms these humble beans into the exquisite chocolate bars we cherish. After drying, the beans are carefully collected and transported, often over long distances, to factories where their magical transformation truly begins. First, the beans undergo a thorough cleaning process, removing any impurities, and are then expertly roasted to develop their rich, complex flavors. Next, the outer shells are meticulously removed, revealing the precious cocoa nibs within, which are then ground into a thick, rich paste known as chocolate liquor. This chocolate liquor is a crucial intermediate product. What happens next in its journey to becoming a delicious chocolate bar? The liquor is further processed to separate it into two key components: the solid cocoa solids, which give chocolate its flavor, and the creamy cocoa butter, which provides its smooth texture. The true magic of modern chocolate making unfolds when sugar, milk, and other carefully selected ingredients are blended into the cocoa liquor. This mixture then undergoes conching, a prolonged process of mixing and grinding that refines the chocolate, giving it its signature smooth, luxurious texture and rich flavor. Finally, the perfectly tempered chocolate is poured into molds, creating bars, candies, and countless other delicious forms, ready for us to enjoy. From classic bars to intricate confections, the possibilities are endless, showcasing the versatility of this beloved treat. As we look ahead, what does the future truly hold for our beloved chocolate? The cocoa industry faces significant challenges, including the impacts of climate change. Will chocolate become a rare and expensive treat, or perhaps even disappear from our shelves if these issues are not addressed? But there is indeed hope. Dedicated farmers and brilliant scientists are collaborating on sustainable farming methods and developing new, resilient varieties of cocoa trees. These innovations aim to withstand the challenges of a changing climate, ensuring a future for cocoa cultivation. Perhaps, through these efforts, we will discover entirely new flavors and even more creative ways of enjoying chocolate in the years to come. From its ancient origins in sacred rituals to its modern status as a global delight, chocolate truly has a rich and utterly fascinating history. So, the next time you indulge in a piece of chocolate, take a moment to remember the incredible, long journey it took from a humble bean to the delicious bar in your hand. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to this channel as we keep posting new content regularly. Thank you.